So this is the main things you're going to receive. 2 pair of bulbs, 2 pair of ballasts. This is what you need to go ahead and install everything on your HIDs kit for your headlights. We're going to go ahead and install some HIDs on this headlights for a CRV. I'm going to tell you step by step how to do it. We're going to do actually high and low on this one, so here we go. So make sure once you get the headlight, make sure you did receive the proper light bulbs that come with it. This one goes with H7, H1, which I have the bulb right here in my hand. You can see right here. So you can go ahead and install it. As you can see right here, it's pretty much self-explanatory. You have a blue, which is power, black is ground. Everything comes, it should be plug and play, which is you just go ahead and install. It already should come with the brackets. You might need basic tools, which will be pliers, maybe some screwdriver, and little red and black cable that comes out of your HID headlights, which will be this one right here. You're gonna have a male, and then you're gonna have 2 pins at the end. You're gonna go ahead and, like I said, is color coordinated. Of course, always the black one is gonna be ground. Power is always gonna be the opposite color. Once you have that installed, the bulb should be installed, the power strip should be installed, then you bring the ballast out. It should be this. It has a female slot for the male slot. The bulb should be self-explanatory too. You only have one way to put them. That'll be one way on this side. You hear a click, and the second one will be the same thing. So you hear the click, you can go ahead and test them out with any power source. Has to be 19 volt or more. You can go ahead and test it out. As you can see, it's properly installed. That'll be the finished product. So the high beam on this headlight, we're actually gonna go ahead and put a H1 bulb that actually should be like this. It's pretty much the shape of the same one. You go ahead and take off the power and the ground off of it. You go ahead and remove the stock one. Once it's out, make sure that it should look the same. As you can see right here, it should have the same pattern. I'm gonna go ahead and install it right here. It should fit in right into the original slot. Once it's in there, make sure you secure it right. If you're in trouble, go ahead and get needle nose pliers. Go ahead and lock the pin in there. There it goes, secure. Go ahead and do the same process as the low beam. Go ahead and plug it onto the HID ballast, male prong and then female. Go ahead and get your red and black cable coming out of it. I'm going to go ahead and connect it to your power source. And the same as your ground. Once it's connected, make sure you go ahead and reassure it with this. Tighten it up a little bit with some wire cutters or some regular pliers. Go ahead and test that out once more.
Hey, Ben.
And you go ahead and have the finished product. So for this particular headlight, we're actually going to do a small mod. As you can see, it has a circle already. So we're going to go ahead and enlarge this one, just for the wires to actually fit through for the HID. As you can see, just be careful. It's always make sure you safety first. You go ahead and make the hole bigger. After it's done, you should have a perfect circle, and all wires should fit through there. As you can see, all the HID wires should fit just right in. If it's properly done, This should be the finished product, how it should look.